In today's video, I'll show you how to sign up for GitLab in just a few minutes and get your account ready to use. Start by opening your web browser and searching for GitLab. From the search results, click on the official GitLab website. Once the home page loads, look for the sign up or register button and click it to begin. On the sign up page, enter your basic details, including your first name, last name, and email address. Make sure you use an email address you can access easily, since you'll need it for verification. Next, create a strong password using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. After that, choose a unique username. This will be your public identity on GitLab, so pick something professional or easy to recognize. Once all the details are filled in, click the register button to continue. Now, check your email inbox for a verification message from GitLab. If you don't see it right away, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and click the confirmation link to activate your account. After verifying your email, GitLab may ask a few quick questions about your role and how you plan to use the platform. These help personalize your experience, and you can always change them later. Once that's done, your GitLab account is fully set up. And that's it. You've successfully signed up for GitLab and are ready to start managing repositories and projects. Thanks for watching and enjoy using GitLab.